Olaf turned from the door and caught Hal's eye.
Maggie's rehearsal doesn't start for another 10 minutes.
There were 4 men in the room, all of them awake. 2 were still wrapped in their blankets on their cots.
Chloe's breath catches, like she's about to say, like what she's about to say keeps getting stuck in the back of her throat. It's not just that I feel ignored, she continues cautiously. I'm concerned too. You do things without thinking.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Amy.
And I'm Sarah, and we're here to help you get creative.
And we are going to get creative one last week for Halloween.
Yay.
It's right around the corner. And today we're going to make some hocus pocus books, spell books, potions. We're going to make some more props for our Halloween decorations.
We usually go to Goodwill or actually Dollar Tree. These are Dollar Tree. You're going to distress things and use them in a craft. We've got some spooky letters. We have more bugs.
I also found these at the Dollar Tree, which I thought were really cute. They're these laser cut wood pieces, but
yeah, those are fun.
We don't really have any specific direction. We're just going to decorate and see how it goes.
We are going to wing it. We're going to distress these, make them look spooky and cool. Are we ready?
I think so. Let's get to it.
Let's go.
So these books look really nice and new, so I think the first thing we need to do is just kind of like destroy them and make them look older. So let's break the bindings and kind of like they're old. And
you want to chew on it?
Oh, this is hard.
Yeah,
it's hard.
It feels wrong.
It does feel wrong.
Ooh, already.
Yeah. And also just like mess up the pages on them.
It'll look like we actually read it.
We did read it. Good books.
I don't know how to.
I don't either.
Maybe we should like run some water over the edges.
Well, let's take. I've got some of the antique wax.
That'll make them crinkle.
And we can rub that on the pages a little bit to antique them, and we can add some water too. So I have water here.
Good.
I think so.
Ooh, yeah. Looks like we know what we're doing here.
Yeah, we do. We do know what we're doing. We're making a mess.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah.
See how it's starting to.
Yeah.
That's good.
Everything you don't ever want to do to a real book.
Now you get to do it.
Just go crazy.
Go crazy.
Crazy.
Should we like drop it out the window?
I mean, we could like throw it in the dirt.
Oh, they're gonna crinkle up more as they dry.
Oh, yeah.
So I think it's
I think we're good.
that's good.
It kind of makes it stand open a little bit too. Sweet.
Love them.
It's fun.
We've got other fun things
Destroy.
to. Yeah.
All right. Next.
Done. Okay, we've got our oldie books. What's next, Amy?
Well, next we're going to take a paper towel, and this is a 2-ply paper towel, so we're going to
Only the best.
I know. We're going to 1-ply it.
We're gonna 1-ply it.
And then kind of rip it up and use the paper towel and Mod Podge to give the book like a rough texture. Oh. So, I don't know. I'm going to start by curling it up and then rip and then just kind of glue it into spots.
I'm concerned about this haphazard step.
I mean, as always, we didn't test this before. So, we're just going to see how it goes.
And should it go around the edge, probably?
I think
I'm just going to tear pieces.
Yeah. It's not going to necessarily, you're not going to be able to tell there's paper towel on there at the end. The idea is that it'll kind of disappear on there.
I'm just going to go
Yeah.
I'm not going to waste any thought. We are mummifying our books.
Yeah. More glue.
More glue.
Oh. Ew, that's kind of scary.
Sweet Charlie. Oh, buddy.
Excuse me.
He's very concerned.
Okay.
Okay.
That was you.
That was good.
That was exciting.
That was very exciting.
So satisfying.
So satisfying.
That looks terrifying.
Sweet.
So let's let it dry.
Okay.
All dry.
Ooh.
These are so cool. It just makes them feel so much more substantial
Yeah, this is...
and old. It almost feels like a leather book.
Crinkly pages are awesome.
All right, now we're going to paint a layer of black over the whole thing.
Yes.
Not going to look quite as scary after that.
I'm excited about this step though. It should look cool. Paint problems today. Oh, there we go.
This ink is always so thick. Probably will do to add some water to it.
Dry, dry, dry.
So we did use a matte chalk paint for that, which I think added so it's not shiny.
Yes.
I like it. Now we're going to add our decorations and our words.
There we go. I'm gonna make a spell book.
I'm going to make a potion book.
Okay.
I feel like I'm writing potato.
Potatoes.
All right, now for the front.
Okay, another layer.
Yep, we're just going to
Of
cover
magic.
everything with the black paint again. Because even though we spray painted our little bugs black, they're shiny. And we also want to cover up that hot glue. And my letters are blue. And that
Can't happen.
Let's go.
All right.
I'm still reading potatoes.
Potions. Dry, dry, dry.
Dry, dry, dry. Dry, 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 dry. This couldn't be turning out any better.
I'd love it.
This is so cool. But you can't see the letters and the bugs aren't really showing up so well. So we're bringing out the rubbing buff.
We love this stuff.
Yes.
This is very fun.
And don't worry, we've already opened the window.
Yes.
This stuff is pretty powerful.
We learned that last time. So we've got some fresh air ventilation.
Yes. And Q-tips.
Thank you.
I think I'm going to start light and then just kind of build up.
Just start on my dragonfly, I think.
Or this
Spine?
spine there.
Okay.
You may just all of a sudden see that every craft every week has some kind of gold on it.
We're gonna...
We want to gold everything. That is so cool.
Very, very cool.
I mean, that's it.
That's it.
And we're done. I think these are going to make a great addition to the spooky Halloween decor we have going on.
Yes, they will. These really started to crinkle. I think water was the key
Yeah.
for the pages.
They feel so substantial.
They do. They were just little hardback books
I know,
that
right?
were
Awesome.
just kind of puny.
Let's show it off.
Okay. Spells.
And now go add it to the decorations.
Yes, let's go.
All right.